Welcome to Billy Hellbender Outdoors. For these first three shots, we'll be using the FX Indy. I have the transfer port turned all the way down, so this gun with the pellets that we're shooting is about 11.5 foot-pounds. At full power, this gun actually shoots 42 foot-pounds. As mentioned before, our pellet of choice for these first three shots is the Predator GTO .25 caliber. These things are 16.54 grain. We have another commission that is insisting on lead-free pellets because we deal with a lot of birds of prey. So these first three shots are basically part of the test to see if these pellets will actually work. Believe me, they work. So these next four shots are taken with the Benjamin Maruader Pistol in 22 cal. We had to go to really close quarters. We're actually in the horse stalls, which are 10 by 10, with the 10-foot aisleway between them. So we got one horse stall on the left and one horse stall on the right. All the shots are offhand, and some of them are even left-handed offhand. So footage may be a little shaky, sorry. The pellet of choice for this gun is the Predator Polymag 16 grain. Love these pellets out of this gun. They're awesome. I actually wanted to use the lead-free versions in 22 cal, but I was unable to get them as of the making of this video. I actually do have them now, so future videos will probably feature those lead-free pellets.